is Julia. Today I will be talking about my most memorable vacation. I have taken my most memorable vacation is Jeju-do. I have the reason to support my answer. First, I go to many places. My best place is Snoopy Garden. There is various of indoor exhibit. I like that because I like cutie and beautiful places. And I go there is very my style. I like Snoopy and there are so many Snoopy. Also, if I stand out of them, the shop's owner gives veggie and the veggie is cute and practical, like pumpkin plus Snoopy veggie. And I get that badge and was very proud because I collected the stamps and done. And then also I like Space Museum. It's very good at take a picture. Second, it is my first trip, so I think it's romantic. I do very many things. For example, I eat many yummy foods and I feel happy many times because of trip. The big reason is because I went with my family. I too with my family go fun places, and the hotel is very good. I like hotel, but it was very good. Also, I eat orange drinky. It tastes real orange, so it tastes more yummy. In other way, I love Jeju, so I more like this trip. In conclusion, my most memorable vacation is Jeju because I go many places and it is my first trip. Thank you for watching my video.